Okay, confession time. I used Klaviyo the wrong way for longer than I'd like to admit. I assumed that signing up, creating a pop-up, and then sending the occasional email was doing email marketing. But the truth, I was just collecting names, not building relationships, not converting, and not growing. So today, I'm sharing what I wish I knew when I started and how my course, Klaviyo Launchpad, is designed to help you avoid the same mistakes. Hi, friend. Welcome back to the Inbox to Income podcast. My name is LIEZLE, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into what I wish I knew about Klaviyo email marketing and how my course fixes it. But before we jump in, I have something exciting to share. Klaviyo Launchpad is officially open for enrollment. If you're ready to build a high converting email list, automate your lead generation, and finally have a system that runs in the background while you focus on all the other parts of your business, this course was made for you. You'll get step-by-step training, templates, live support, and everything you need to master Klaviyo without feeling overwhelmed. You can learn more and join us at SHECOMMERCE.com/launchpad or check the show notes for the link. All right, now let's get into today's episode. Here are the biggest lessons I wish someone had told me from the start. 1. I didn't know how to grow a list of buyers, not just freebie seekers. I created random opt-ins that didn't attract my ideal customer, just anyone who wanted a discount. Does that sound familiar? That's why the very first thing we cover inside the course is identifying your best-selling product and building a lead magnet that aligns with it. We've covered this in my webinar, and if you haven't registered for it, we've got one left, which is going to be on the 8th of May. So be sure to register. The webinar is totally free. You'll walk away with a clear plan. So first, we're going to identify your best-selling product. Next, we're going to align a lead magnet to that product. And third, we're going to create a simple sales path using Klaviyo that will take your subscribers all the way to the sale. The very first thing we cover inside the course is identifying your best-selling product and building a lead magnet that aligns with it. We go deep on this in Module 3 and Module 4, but if you're not ready to dive into the course just yet, you can get a sneak peek inside my free masterclass. There's one session left on May 8th, 2025, so save your seat now at SHECOMMERCE.com/masterclass. 2, I didn't realize how important it is to set Klaviyo up properly from the start. Connecting your store is just the beginning. I missed crucial steps like verifying my sending domain, organizing my lists correctly, and understanding deliverability. Inside Module 2 of the course, I walk you through the exact setup I now use for every client. Plus, you get a downloadable checklist so nothing slips through the cracks. The third thing, I was sending random emails, not strategic automations. No welcome flow, no weekly plan, just throwing spaghetti at the wall. And guess what? My open rates were sad and my click rates were worse. Inside Module 5, we build your entire welcome flow together, from planning the emails to writing the copy to turning it on. And in Module 6, I show you exactly what to send each week to keep your audience engaged and buying without burning yourself out. Let me give you the full course breakdown. Here's what's included inside Klaviyo Launchpad. Start, grow, and profit from your email list. The welcome module, set your project plan and join the private Facebook group for support. Module 1 is why every e-commerce store needs an email list and how email fits into your bigger marketing strategy. Module 2 is how to set up Klaviyo the right way, connect your store, verify your domain, and ensure deliverability. Module 3, we're crafting your irresistible offer, brainstorming, validating, and designing your lead magnet like a pro. Module 4, we're capturing emails on your website. We'll learn to create pop-ups that actually convert without annoying your customers. And in Module 5, Welcome Flows 101. Plan, write, and build high-converting automated series that turn subscribers into buyers. And in Module 6, weekly emails that nurture and sell, plus my 90-day content planner and email campaign checklist. Plus, you'll get tons of bonus tools. I've got Canva templates, metric trackers, and your very own custom GPT AI assistant to help you brainstorm and write faster inside Klaviyo. Here's what I want you to hear today. If email marketing feels like a second job right now, you're not doing it wrong, you're just doing it without a system. Once you have the right systems in place, email marketing becomes the only business activity that takes just 4 to 6 hours a month and delivers the highest ROI across all your marketing efforts. In fact, the average ROI for e-commerce email marketing is $38 to $42 for every $1 you spend, according to Klaviyo. Klaviyo Launchpad doesn't just teach you email marketing. It helps you build a long-term revenue system that keeps growing your business quietly in the background. Your action steps for today. If you want the free training, save your seat now for the May 8th masterclass at SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com/masterclass. If you're ready to jump into Klaviyo Launchpad, visit SHECOMMERCEsimplified.com/launchpad. And if you're not sure if it's the right fit, DM me on Instagram at SHECOMMERCE_simplified, or if you'd like, I'm happy to jump on a quick 15-minute call to chat it through. Happy emailing, my friend. Good luck, and I hope to see you soon.